Hello. So this video, I'll try to make it as quick as possible. I've gotten asked, what if my logo has more than one part and they are not connected? How do I connect them into one piece to 3D print? So first things first, you'll import your logo. I've done quite a few over here just for this video. I've projected it into this for different examples. So the first way, easiest way, just draw a circle around your logo. It becomes one deal. So now you can take that and extrude it. -5. You have a full logo right here. Let's see what. Then you can do your normal, whatever you want with it. So that's one way to do it. Hide the bodies. Let's see. Offset. You can also do offset lines to connect everything together. This is probably the most common way to do it. I'll show you how to do that now. So you'll have your logo. All you got to do is, just like the LED lamps that I've made videos on, you just select the outer line, hit O for offset, however big you want your perimeter to be. Do that to all the outer lines. You'll do that for all the way around. And then what you're going to do is connect these. You can make it prettier, bends, curves, splines, however you want to do it. And then once you have them all connected together, see it's still open on the bottom, we need to get them connected to whatever design you want. Or you could just make a straight line. After you're done with that, finish sketch, and then you can take all of that, extrude it all into one piece. And there's that piece with your offset line. Then you can do these. Or you can do it the opposite direction, cut it out, make a new body. That way you have a flush face down logo. Next example, you could just simply draw a line and connect these together. That's the simplest way. It's not going to be as pretty, but that's all you really have to do. And now you have all of these letters connected. And then, oh, wrong one. If you wanted that to be a different color, if you want it to be flush, let's just say -2. We'll cut into it -2. And then we'll go -2 again, but this time we'll do new bodies. Okay, and now all of YOU, they are different. Ooh, let me hide the sketch. See, now you have different bodies. So there's many different ways you can combine different parts of a logo into one body. And then you can just export each color, throw it in the printer. That's all there is to it. So if you have a logo with many different parts, there's a few different ways you can connect them all together into one piece. Throw it on your 3D printer and you're good to go. The most popular is going to be the offset. It's the prettiest way to do it. Not the circle. The prettiest way to do it, and then you have the nice logo with the perimeter all the way around. That's about it. If you have any more questions on connecting multiple pieces, let me know.